alaikum and good day everyone. I am Najira Najir and today I will discuss the module 14 which is entitled by Sternberg's Successful Intelligence Theory in Mixed Models. So first let me introduce the proponent of this theory. The proponent of this theory is Robert Jeffrey Sternberg. He is an American psychologist and psychometrician born in Jeffrey, Jersey on this December 9, 1949, and after suffering from test anxiety and doing for Leon exam, he realized that the test was not an accurate measure of his actual knowledge and abilities. So Sternberg served as the president of the American Psychologists Association in 2003, and in 2013 he voluntarily resigned as a president of the University of Wyoming after having held the office for only 4 months. So um, according to about kay Robert Sternberg is nung bata siya is nagkaroon din siya ng difficulty with intelligence theory. So he did not perform well on such test. So because of this is naging dahilan para magkaroon siya ng interest sa field of intelligence na nag-lead sa kanya para mag-come up with the Tarkiak theory of intelligence in 1980. So overall the years, his theory evolved from the more complicated computational theoretic theory to a simpler successful intelligence theory. So, yung first theory niya na Tarkiak theory of intelligence is nag-evolve siya para sa much simple na which is successful intelligence theory. So, more recently din is nagkaroon siya ng collaboration with other prominent psychologists na i-propose niya yung WICS or Wisdom Intelligence Creative Synthesis Model. So, etong model na to is an alternative paradigm to deliver more relevant admission, instruction, and assessment and theory. So, itong model na to is isa sa mga relevant or supports para sa admission, instruction, assessment sa pagdating sa education. So, ang successful intelligence theory of Sternberg is mayroon siyang 4 skills which is the memory skills, analytical skills, and creative skills, and lastly practical skills. So, let me first let me give you an activity. So, let's say you are an child you let's say that you are in a child in adolescent class, then you finish a lesson about the cause and effect of bullying. So there is a task, 4 tasks here. So the first task is answer a set of fill in the blank items about bullying. Then second task is read a true story about bullying and analyze the case. Then third task is create a poster and or write a song or poem to stand up against bullying. Then lastly, make a plan for a teacher to implement or do to address or handle bullying in the classroom. So this task is example of that 4 theory. So the task number 1 is a example of memory skills. Then task number 2 is example of analytical skills. Then task number 3 is example of creative skills. Then task number 4 is example of practical skills. So let me explain these 4 skills. First is the memory skills, is yan yung kung saan nire-recall natin yung mga information, or yan yung tinatawag natin ng mga stock knowledge natin para ginagamit natin yan for para ma-solve natin yung mga activities. Then second is analytical skills. Ito is kung saan dinidetermine natin yung mga certain idea of subject, like yan yung kung saan uh, ina-understand natin yung mga question. Then, third is creative skills. Sa creative skills naman is ito yung kung saan nagkakaroon na tayo ng mga idea or nagkakaroon na tayo ng idea para ma-answeran or ma-solve yung isang problem. Then lastly, practical skills is ito is kung saan natin paano natin i-apply yung na-learn natin in a practical way. Then now let us proceed to Weeks models. So In weeks models, intelligence is viewed as a set of learned ability to learn from experience and to adapt to one's surroundings. So, and ang weeks models daw is yan yung um, kung saan kung saan yung mga nakaka-learn tayo through experiences. So, kapag may mga experience tayo is parang mas nai-enhance yung learning natin. Mas lalo tayo nakaka-adapt sa mga surrounding natin. So, an individual, according to this theory and model, individual possess and abilities that can be nurtured into competencies and further cultivated to expertise. So, ang bawat isa daw is meron daw ability na pwedeng i-nurture at saka na pwedeng maging expertise. So, for example nito is if you when you are young, ability ka na maging singer. So, your talent or ability as a sing is para maging competency is kailangan mag-train ka. So, during your training, kapag nagto-training ka, yun yung tinatawag na competencies. So, after naman nun is nagto-train ka din, okay ka na, pwede ka nang sumabak sa mga competition na yun. Pero hindi ka naman nun enhance. So, after nun is mapupunta ka naman sa expertise kung saan expert ka na sa field na yun, field na yun, kumbaga sikat ka na doon. So, WICS is stand for Wisdom, Intelligence, Creativity, and Synthesis. So, itong models na to is yan yung basic idea kung saan yung mga citizen of the world or yung mga tao is kailangan nila mag-create ng vision para maging creative na para maka-form ng vision kung saan nila gustong pumunta at kung paano sila makaka-cope up sa mga changes sa environment. So, in analytical intelligence to ascertain whether the creative ideas are good ones, practical intelligence to implement their ideas, and to persuade others of the value of their ideas, and wisdom in others to ensure that the ideas will help achieve some ethically based common good over the long and short terms rather than just what is good for them and their families and friends. So, dito is kung saan sa analytical intelligence is kung saan paano nila i-ascertain or paano nila masisigurado na yung na-create nila idea ay tama ba or goods ba yun. Then, sa practical intelligence naman is kung paano nila i-apply yung idea nila at paano nila mapupersuade or ma, ma, mapupersuade yung mga others na kung yung your importance ng idea na yun na para importance ng idea na yan at saka sa wisdom naman is ito is ko para ma-ensure or masigurado na yung idea nila is nakakatulong siya sa ma-achieve nila yung mga ethical based common goods nila than the kumbaga is ito is pang long term siya. So, ang weeks models is a more recent model of how human think and reason that can help us understand how student will learn most effectively. So, ang weeks models is iyan yung model kung saan nakamodel siya sa kung paano mag-isip ang mga tao at mag-reason. So, this models is nakaka-help siya para ma-understand or if you are a teacher is isa to sa mga kailangan mo na malaman mo kasi na ito is natutulungan niya para ma-determine yung kakayahan, capability ng mga students sa learning. So, next naman is kung paano natin i-apply ang Wix model. So, ang Wix models is the use of Wix models include admission, instruction, and assessment. Pero sa module na to is more on nakafocus siya sa instruction and assessment uses. So, isa sa mga paraan para ma-apply natin ang Wix models and instruction is when you reflect and make choices on the task and activities that you will give to teach and assess to your students. Ito is na-apply natin yung instruction kapag tayo is nagre-reflect at saka gumagawa tayo ng mga choices about sa task and activities na iti-teach natin sa mga student natin. So, pwede kang mag-choose dito. So, you may choose to teach analytically, creatively, practically, as well as teach for wisdom. So, yung choice mo is naka-base siya sa preference or strength yung kakaya ng mga learners mo. So, this level is useful siya sa mga this teaching is useful siya sa any levels. Pwede siya sa preschool to higher education. So, may mga example din siya. So, ang mga example dito is relevant siya sa education in the Philippines. Then, first is how to teach analytically. So, make your student use critically. Ito is, sinisigurado mo na yung mga student is, nagkakaroon siya ng critical thinking. So, here are the design tasks in activities that provide opportunity for your learners. So, first is analyze, second, critique, third, judge, fourth, compare and contrast, fifth, evaluate, and lastly, assess. So, and here are the example of teaching analytically. So, letter A, analyze the development of the character of Ibarra and Nolemi Tangiren. B, critique the design and feature of the latest smartphone. C, judge the artistic merits of Filipino cartoonist Larry Alcala's Slice of Life. D, compare and contrast the Italian approaches of Montessori and Region Emilia in early childhood education. Then E, evaluate the validity of theory of evolution and write a term paper on this. Then lastly, assess the strategies of Manila City government to improve the traffic situation around the city. So, second naman na choices na pwede mong pagpilian is how to teach creatively. So, how to teach in creatively. So, dito naman is kung saan in-encourage natin na sinusustain natin yung creative idea ng mga student natin. Ito yung kung saan sinusuportahan natin yung mga creative idea ng mga student natin. So, here are the design tasks and activities that provide opportunity for your learners. So, first is create, invent, discover, imagine if, suppose that, and lastly, predict. So, here are the example of teaching creatively. So, letter A is create an alternative ending to Florante at Laura. Letter B, invent a dialogue that would transpire if Jose Rizal and Ninoy Aquino meet. Letter C, discover a way to explain why heavy ships float at sea. And letter D, imagine if EDSA revolution did not happen in 1986, and what do you think our country will be like at present and 10 years later? Letter, letter E, suppose that you were to design a computer game to help children learn about love and sacrifice. Describe the game you would create. Then letter F, predict changes that will happen if humans had a third eye at the back of their heads. Choose and apply or gadgets that would need to be changed in order to be useful. And propose a new functional design. So, sa how to teach analytically naman is, ito is kung saan yung mga student is they should have in mind real life situation where student can use what they learn to meet their own and also others practical ideas. Dito is kung saan paano mayu-use ng mga student yung mga idea nila or kung saan paano nila ma-apply yung mga idea nila in a practical way, in action, paano nila iti-take action yung idea nila. So, here are the design task and activity that provide opportunity for your learners. So, first is apply, use, put into practice, implement, employ, render practical what they know. So, here are the example of teaching practically. So, letter A is have apply addition concept and determining number of boys and girls in the classroom. Letter B, use the knowledge of Excel to keep track of daily household expenses. Letter C, put into practice what you learn about classroom rules and making your own classroom rules fostered. So letter D, implement a lesson plan that one has made. Letter E, employ the formula of computing the area of one's living room to determine the number of 12 times 12 tiles needed to cover the floor. So, and lastly, letter F, render practical propose assembler design for a computer PC. So, fourth naman na pwede natin i-choose is how to teach for wisdom. So, dito is kung saan yung mga student is nala-learn at na-understand nila yung point of view yung others, like paano nila ma-understand yung nararamdaman ng iba if they are in their situation. So, here are the design tasks and activities that provide opportunity for your learners. First is try to find a common good, see things from other point of view, balance own other interest and other interest, look at the short and long terms, reflect and base every decision on positive ethical values, and lastly, appreciate that in life what is seen true and effective may vary over time and place. So here are the example of teaching for wisdom. So letter E, what might be a solution for a common good in the Philippines and China claim on the Spratly Island? Letter B, think of a person you had a conflict with. Put yourself in the person place. Write down her point of view and concern as a possible. What can you do to explain what you understand the believed person now? And letter C, should parents expect their children to take care of them when they are old and why? Letter D, how has warming going to affect the world and the Philippines in particular? What can you do? Letter E, is it ever ethical to shoot down a plane with civilian and terrorists on board if the terrorists plan to flee, slam the plane to a building with thousands of people? So letter F, how does parenting change over time? And what would you say are different now than before? Um, what are the constant things that should be present to make the parent-child relationship work? So this thing is example of teaching wisdom. So sa Wix models is ang Wix models is na-use siya na nagagamit siya not only for instruction pero nagagamit din siya sa admission and assessment. So, according to Sternberg and his colleague, nag-propose si Sternberg at saka yung mga colleague niya na i-tried or subukan at saka pagstudyan yung mga creative way ng ginagawa ng mga student when it comes to admission as well as assisting student learning. So based on their study, the Wix model was successful daw for teachers and their learners because number one, it celebrated the difference of learners through a supporting learning environment. Number two, it made students remember what they learned better. Number three, it built on the strength of the learners. And number four, strengthen the motivation of the learners. So overall, ang uh, ang ang Wix model is isa sa mga paraan or ang successful intelligence is tsaka Wix models is minamaximize niya yung strength ng mga estudyante para maka-adapt sa one environment para maka-adapt sila sa environment na nakasurrounding sa kanila na because of this is nagko-contribute din ito sa society dahil yung mga nalalearn nila is pwede itong i-apply sa society, sa community. So may estudyante na nagkakaroon siya ng difficulty sa test intelligence is pwede itong i-apply itong successful intelligence theory in Wix models kasi na etong theory na to is nakakatulong ito para masupport or nagiging scaffolding to sa mga student para mas lalo sila makaka-learn. So, yung mga nalalearn nila is nagkakaroon ng significance yun kasi yung kapag nakaka-learn yung student is na-apply nila yun sa society, na nakakatulong yun sa community. Dahil kapag ina-apply nila yun is nagkakaroon ng better ideas sa mga places. And lastly, thank you for